Now let's get into the Bitget trading overview. One of the best trading exchanges I've ever seen outside in the world. And why is this so? So first of all, if you don't have an account of Bitget, you can go under this video or in the video description. There you'll find the link. There you can go direct into the Bitget website and can create an account. And with my code, it's up in the comments, there you get one of the craziest gifts you ever have seen. So what gifts you can get if you use my specific link. So you can go under this link and then you get directly to the Bitget website. There you get first $3 coupon if you do the KYC. So the cool thing at Bitget, you don't must do the KYC, so you don't must upload your ID card or your passport, but you can. And if you do this, you become $3 on top on your deposit. And you also will receive a $50 coupon in your total future trading volume, reaching your trading volume. And that's absolutely crazy. Also the same, you can get the $60 coupon for spot trading. So you receive a $10 per dollar coupon in your total spot trading volume that reach 1000 USDT, and that is absolutely great. And if you also spend more, or you can not spend more, you trade more and had a trading volume that's reach 10,000 USDT, which with leverage trading it's especially nothing, you get also $50 on top on your account. And for your first deposit, you become a 4,000 US dollar first deposit bonus. And that is absolutely crazy because I've never seen so huge deposit bonus outside on other exchanges. So definitely check out of this specific referral link. So definitely use this link to get also this highest bonus for your starting with your trading account. But first, let us create accounts together. So if you scroll a little bit up, you can type up your email address, you're setting your password, and also get in touch with the referral link. So definitely look around that is also using them. Then after agree with the terms and conditions, you get on sign up. So if you sign up already, you have this amazing overview dashboard here in this website. So the first, you have here your account, and also you have here your assets, where you can see, we can directly go in, there you can see your assets, what's in your account. You have a spot account and also you have a trading account, and you see I have deposited some money to show you guys the trading futures. And we have a spot account and also a future account. Future account, it's for trading, and spot account, yes, you have read correctly, spot account where you can buy coins. So you can go to the spot account, and here you have an overview from so much coins you can buy also with this exchanges. So that's absolutely crazy because you can trade and you can also hold your coins. And you can also transfer it. If you make profit with your trading, you can transfer it to your spot wallet, maybe to hold it in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, or some other coins. And this is one of the best because I see in my trading experience, I'm using so many exchange, one for spot trading, one for leverage trading, and one exchange or wallet for us holding some other coins. And here you have an exchange, you can do all together. So if you are back at the assets overview, you can also transfer, deposit, or withdraw your coins. So if you have another exchange, maybe you are on Binance or Bitpanda or Bybit, you can transfer your money up to the next trading account. And that's absolutely crazy because I transfer the money from Binance and it was there in not more than 3 or 5 minutes, and that's absolutely crazy. And also if you transfer, because when you use your trading account, you must transfer from the spot to the futures, you have 0 fees, and that is absolutely great. But let us also look how you can deposit your money. So you can go on deposit, then you can choose what do you want to deposit. You want to deposit Bitcoins, USDT, or some others. Then you choose here USDT. Then you can use your network, maybe take the Tron network. Then you get here the deposit address, so you can copy this and put the deposit address in the withdrawal address from the other wallet, or you can also scan this and get here directly in touch with this deposit account. So the next thing, you can also withdraw your profits or your coins. Then you have also do the same, or one for internal transfers and one for, if you use the other exchange, you can use also the coin. Here the same, you see it's so many coins you can also withdraw. That means you must transfer from the coin to the USDT or to the Bitcoin, as in some other exchanges you can also withdraw all of the coins. That is absolutely crazy. You have here the overview, the amount, and then later you can submit, and you see also your historical. And when we're going here on the deposit, you see here I transferred it today, the Bitcoins that I'm showing you later in the trading account. If you want to transfer it, you can also use this one. If you want to transfer from a spot to the trading wallet, you can use this, and also you have 0 fees, what's absolutely great because it's also an internal transfer. So now let's go directly to the trading part. So I show you the spot trading and the other trading part, the USDT futures, and yes, you see right, USD demo trading. So here you can open a demo account with demo money and trade the setups, not with real money. So you can train your trading experience, and that is absolutely crazy because I don't found any exchanges outside with a demo account. And that is absolutely crazy that you can use here your demo account to train, to get experiences with trading, and then later, if you say yes, I'm ready for earning earning real profits, you can go directly to USDT or to the coin futures. So what's the difference? Different from USDT. With USDT, futures, it means we are trading with USDT, as you know from other exchanges. So this is the thing I will definitely prefer. But also you can go and do coin futures. Coin futures, it means you are trading with Bitcoins, and if you get profitable, you get Bitcoins back because your wins are paying out not in USDT, it's paying out in Bitcoins. And in this market scenario, actually it's very, very good because the Bitcoin prices are very low. You get more Bitcoins back, and then the price ultimately going higher. If the Bitcoin price is also going higher. But I think for my trading strategy, the USDT futures are the best. And here now we are directly in the overview. We are looking here at this market overview. It's from TradingView. As you know, also for my videos, I do trading analysis, or you can also use TradingView to use your own trading analysis. You have the same tools like this, so you can mark something up if it's very important to you. You can change the time zone, so all the things you know about from TradingView. And if you want to change the currency or the coins, you can go here directly in, can searching for some coins, or can, yes, you see, you can trading so much coins, absolutely crazy. So then at the next side we have the order book. You also know also the order book, so here you can see how many shorts or any long positions are opened. Then you can also see here at the right side, there's the tool we can trade. So first of all, you can set the leverage. You can the leverage from 1, which makes it's the normal like spot trading, or you can make it up to 124, 25. That's absolutely amazing. You can trade with so high leverage. It's very risky, so be careful. I definitely prefer leverage from 10, which would be one of the best leverage because it's not too risky, but it's also, you can also earn profits if you have less money in your account. So here you can also change it. Then you can open a position, or you can close a position. You can set a limit order or a market order. What means a limit order? Limit order means if we take a limit order here, that we are waiting for the price are going there, and if the price is there, we're going in the market. So you can set trades when, if you are not at the MacBook, if you're not at the laptop, if you're not at the phone, so you can analyze the market, set a limit order, and when the price goes there, you get in the trade. So because you must not stay every time at the laptop or at a trading account. So what is the difference to the market order? Market order means we're going directly now in the market. So you see here the Bitcoin prices. If you press the market order right now at the exact time, we are going directly now in the market and we are in. Also, you can set your cost. You can see, you can tip the number of the trading amount, or you can choose here. Maybe I want to use 20% of my account in to go in. You can set take profit. Take profit means if the price going there, so in this time we are looking here for buy position, so we take profit here at $20,000, and when the price goes to $20,000, it goes automatically. You go out and you saved your profits without you going every time at a trading account. The same is a stop loss. Stop loss means the risk you can lose if you set the stop loss. If you don't use a stop loss, you can lose all your money. If you take a stop loss, you can maximum lose this amount of money. So maybe we do a stop loss from 10%. That means we can only lose 10% of our trading money. And that is one of the important things in trading, because all is about the risk management. Then we have here for long or for short position. You can see also, yes, how big is your amount or trading amount. And when you open a position, the open positions are here at the bottom. Here you see I'm actually opened 2 positions, one in the Bitcoin market and one in the Ethereum market. Here you see which kind of position, when I ordered this, and which price, where's my liquidation price, and also where's my profit. You see here my profit are 2% in the profits. And also here at the second position for me, it's the Ethereum position. You see here in the Ethereum position, I'm 10% now in the profit. And if you also want to know how I trade and how I explain the market, so subscribe to my channel and also activate the bell that you never miss out one of the next trading tutorials you get. And also in the trading tutorials, you get some free trade ideas. So you can use it directly to go under the videos, or in the videos you get the trading ideas, and you can go directly to your trading account and to take the trading ideas and earn your profits. Want to close the trading profit, you can go here on close. I do not close the position because I set the take profit that the automatic price will reach. I will get my profit automatically, and here you see the price going higher. So when we're looking a little bit up, we see here the overview of the chart, and you see here which position you are in. So here you can see this is a long position I opened it over there, and now it's in profit. So if the price is over my entry price, it's in profit. If it's lower, it's not in profit. So that's very important also for you. And we are going back to the next overview. So the last thing I want to talk about is the API management. So for all your guys who are using some other APIs, you can also create here the API, and you can put your trading account with the API together. So here you go on your account, After you can set your account informations, you can update your ID card or set some security settings. You can go to the API management and can here create a new API. And this is also the end of this overview. It was a short overview. Tell me also in the comments, what do you think about this first deposit bonus, and what do you also think of all the bonus that Bitget gets extra for you. So definitely also check out my whole channel so that you never miss out one of the next videos, and then we see in the next analysis video for Bitcoin and the next Ethereum trade, and we see bye bye.